Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 screen flickering or tearing while playing games. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display, click Properties, click Driver tab, click Roll Back Driver if available, click OK. Restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Change scale to recommended. Change display resolution 1:1, select best one. Click Advanced Display, click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Click Monitor tab, change screen refresh rate, select best one. Fifth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, uncheck Problem Reports Control Panel Support. Uncheck Windows Error Reporting Service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.